days off because I had dental surgery and I still have a piece of tooth in my gum, so it's not great, but we're here and we're doing it. Yesterday I was not great. I bought this on the weekend. It's a mug cake book, and mug cakes make me unreasonably angry most of the time, but seeing as this was a whole book about them, I thought we'd give it another go. The reason they make me unreasonably angry is because usually they need a bowl and not a mug. Even when I've tried it in oversized mugs. So we're going to try two today. This one needs this is a Nutella brownie cake. As you can see, we've got the Nutella out. And there's also a 2-ingredient Nutella cake that we're going to try as well, which is in here. Flourless Nutella cake. And that one needs, we'll do that one first because it needs an hour of sitting around before we can try it. So we'll do that one first. Now, it always says to use an oversized mug. Well, this is as oversized as I get. Short of a bowl, this is what we've got. So hopefully it won't explode in my microwave like has normally happened. So we need, for this one large egg and literally a 1/4 cup of Nutella. So this egg feels bad. I'm gonna get a really tough shell on it. And when they've got tough shells, I'm just like, Oh, this isn't it. That's actually much larger than the one I was gonna use, so that's probably a good thing. That one felt really tough and I tossed it actually. Okay, it says whisk the egg. So let's get a fork because nothing else is going to fit in there. I assume we're just going to the light yellow. Okay, and it does give us the weight in grams for the Nutella, so I am going to weigh it because otherwise we'll just end up with a 1/4 cup thing full of egg. Full of Nutella. So we're just going to put the thing on and do a spoon of it. Okay, slightly more than we needed, but that's what we're going to go with today. And it just says to whisk it until it's smooth, which might take a little while. There's also a ganache recipe that goes with this, but I am not about that today. That is just way too much work to be today. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to put it in the microwave. Cross our fingers that it doesn't explode. Okay. There's a lot of excess Nutella stuck to my fork. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh well. Okay, this needs to go in there for 1 minute, and she says that she's got a 1000-watt microwave, and I think ours is 1200 watts, so I'm going to put it on medium high instead of just high. Not going to lie, kind of scared. Okay, so this next one is going to get complicated because it's only got about half of a leg in it. So, yay. I don't even know how to measure half an egg. How do you measure half an egg? suppose we could do 2 and split the egg between the 2. Let's get a second one. This is it after 1 minute. And whether you can see that, it's still runny as fuck, so I'm going to put it in for 10 seconds. Okay, I think it's done. I mean, it's sliding around in the cup. I don't know where it's supposed to do that, but it says now to leave it for an hour. So, success, it didn't explode. Let's try the next one. Whether it will taste like a Nutella-y omelette is another story, because it is literally just a Nutella with eggs, so we'll try that in an hour. Okay, so we need to split this in half now. And we need 2 tablespoons of flour for each of these. I'm using self-raising. It says all-purpose, so that's what we're using. I think that's what all-purpose means. If it doesn't, let me know. But 1, 2, 2. And then we need another 74 grams of this little baby. Could do with a bit of stir actually. And then we're going to whisk all this together without, making a massive fucking mess. And what does it say? Batter will be quite thick, yeah, no shit. Half an egg in it. Batter is now like a paste. I would not, if there was a word to use to describe it, it would not be batter. Let's put it that way. Okay. How long? Okay, 1 minute and then. What I'm going to say is it's really hard to combine all the flour into the Nutella. And it'd be even harder with a whisk, like it says to use a whisk, it would be much harder with a whisk to do what I'm doing right now. Okay. Let's bet money that that one's not actually done yet. Oh, you know what, guys? I think it is done. I mean, it's slightly underdone, maybe another 10 seconds. But it's risen. It hasn't exploded in my microwave, so yay. And the brownie looks disgusting, so I can't wait to try that later. What I'm going to do is put a tiny dollop of ice cream on top of these and then try it. But they need to sit for 15 minutes, so we're going to leave it to sit for 15. I don't know whether I might put that one back in. Might put them both back in for another 10, 15 seconds. Because it's really not as risen as the picture. Okay, well, there's half a mug cake. We'll see how they taste in about 15 minutes. Okay, let's give it a try. My ice cream's melting already. Oh, it's very hard. You can see it's not mixed properly on my spoon. It doesn't taste like cake. I like it, but it doesn't taste like cake. It's what I imagine Nutella bread pudding would taste like. I like it, but it's not what I expected. I will totally be eating it. It's really, really soft, and I need really, really soft right now for teethies. I'm not mad at it. So, mug cakes are officially off my shit list. And we will give the others a go at some stage. This one still needs to set for another like 45 minutes. I do not have the trick for it. But we'll come back and have a look at that one. Now this one is, once you get about halfway, it's dry as dry can be, so you really need a lot of ice cream in one of these. So I haven't even managed to finish it because it gets so dry and claggy on your tongue and stuff. Anyway, let's try the Nutella omelette. That's the texture. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good. And it's got this really weird, like, wet texture. Can you see that? Like a what are they called? Panna cotta. It's got an almost panna cotta but kind of cakey vibe, and it does not. It does not taste good. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. However, if this had a little bit of some more liquidy stuff in it, like a bit of cream or something like that, would do. Yeah. So, mug cakes, you're okay by me now, and you didn't explode in my microwave, so I'm happy about that. Thanks for joining me. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow where we do cotton and avocado, and that's it. Actually, no, that's later today, but I'll upload tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'm going to be doing my carrot cake. And I'll feed this one to my